Sup everyone, welcome back to my 14th Python tutorial, and today I'm going to teach you guys about dictionary in Python. So what a dictionary in Python is, it's something that uses something called keys and values to look up items, like lists and sequences that we've learned in the past, in which we looked up elements with their position number. So this dictionary just like normal dictionary, it just works like uh, when you search up a word, you get its meanings. So it just works like that. Uh, the syntax for dictionaries are a little bit different compared to the sequences we've learned so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys and how to make it. So first, you're gonna type in your name, the name of the dictionary, which I'm gonna name it translate, and you'll see why. And for dictionaries, they're in curly brackets, so just like this. And you're gonna need some keys and values for these. So for the first key, I'm gonna type 1, and the second, which is the value, I'm gonna make it uno. So now you guys see this is converting English numbers into Spanish numbers. So 2, 2, dos, and 3 with dress, 4 with quattro, and finally 5 with oops with cinco. So make sure you did this correctly, and then when you're complete, press enter and check, and we have our first dictionary. So how to use this dictionary is by typing the name of the dictionary, translate, and then you're gonna need square brackets, and then type in the key or you want the value of. So I'm gonna type in like 3, and when I do this, it should return tres. Uh, and by the way, just so you guys know, that dictionaries don't always need to be using strings of text only. They can actually use numbers and quotes. For example, we can just edit the original translate dictionary to just, just normal dictionary with when you put in the English numbers, it just returns the normal numbers. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And once we did that, check again to see if it's correct, and bam. So when I so this time when I want 3, it's gonna print out 3, the number 3, instead of tres. So yep, just like that. Uh, Now that I taught you guys about basic dictionary, I'm gonna teach you guys some dictionary methods. In fact, just two. Uh, the first one I'm gonna show you guys is the dot copy method, and what it does is it basically copies a dictionary to another dictionary. So how you can use it is by creating another dictionary. You just need a title, so I'm just gonna name it like dictionary. You guys can't use dict as the name of the dictionary because that's a function, and functions don't you can't put functions in names. So yeah, just to let you guys know. So and then you're gonna need the name of the dictionary that already exists that you want to copy from. So I'm gonna have translate and then dot copy, and you don't need anything in parameters. When you press enter, go check, and we should have our dictionary here. So as simple as that, you have a new dictionary now. And last thing I want to teach you guys is dot clear. And as you can tell, this clears the whole dictionary. will make it just a blank. So be careful on how you use it. So how you use it is by the typing the name of the dictionary, just like this, and dot clear. Again, you don't need anything in parameter, so when you do this, it will be clear. Empty dictionary, just like this. So that was your quick tutorial on dictionary in Python. Hope you guys enjoyed and learned something, and I'll see you guys in the next one.